Hello everyone, so this is our 36th video of our YouTube video series, and this is the second last video of our entire video series. In this video we will discuss about how we can show the exact count of our freelancer, our total job listings, total freelancer project, and total partner company. So these four things we discuss in this video, how we can show the exact data that available in our database on this kind of interface. Here you can see in our previous video, in 35th video, we discussed about show all freelancers to company, and that previous video in 34th video we discussed about remove project posted by the company. Okay, so let's start this video. So here you can see I just already loaded my project. Whenever I'm just clicking on login as a company, Wipro Technologies 4545, click on enter, and here you can see the interface is now opening. Now here you can see there is no value showing of freelancer, job listings, and freelancer project and total company partners. So in this video I will show you the two process of the freelancer as well as the job posting. Remaining two process you have to do it by yourself. Okay, so you can practice is on yourself. I just show you how you can show the freelancer count, how you can show the job count, and by this kind of reference you can show the freelancer projects as well as the total partners company. Okay, so for that you have to come to our project. Here you can see this one is our project, and you have to come to our company controller. Here you can see this is our company controller, and in company controller we have to come to our home company mapping, because we have to show this all kind of value in our home company mapping. So we have to come our home company mapping. Here you can see this is the mapping for company page. Now we have to write that code into this kind of mapping for showing this all kind of data. So I'm just comment here that is the count value, and for showing that value we already have the project down. So PD, we have to simply declare here one method, that is the get count of freelancer. Okay, I just simply declare here one method, and I just execute this method in our project DAO. So I just simply hover on this particular method and create method in the project DAO. Here you can see now method is successfully created here. Now we have to change the return type from here to void to int, because value in integer form. So I'm just writing here int. Then by the reference of int we have to return something from here. So we have to write here return t1 dot, I have to write here now as a query for object. Okay, now in that I have to write the simple query that showing the all count of the freelancer. Now I'm writing it as a select count. In that I have to write bracket. In that bracket I have to write star from freelancer, and later on in this null I have to write here as a integer dot class, because this value in the integer form. Okay, query for object. Now select count from freelancer. Now this value is automatically returned to our company controller on this particular method. We have to take this entire thing into one particular variable. So I am just writing as a int freelancer count freelancer. Okay, count freelancer. This is the variable that has all kind of value of get offer freelancer method. Okay, now with the help of our mm.add attribute method we can easily show that particular data. So we have that method. So mm.add attribute, in that we have to pass the one key and value. So we have value that is freelancer counter or count freelancer, get count freelancer. This is the value, get count freelancer, and we have to take one key to show this all kind of value. So before of our value we have to write it as a key. Okay, freelancer count. Okay, now we can easily copy that key from here and now we can show this value on our company home page. So we have to come to our company home page. Here you can see company home, and we have to come to our that particular code that is showing this all kind of count. So here you can see worldwide freelancer. Now here you can see with the help of that particular tag we can easily show that data. So dollar, then curly braces, and in that we have to pass that particular key. Now let's discuss it is showing or not. So for your reference, I just opening my database, and now I'm showing you which kind of count we have already have in Freelancer, and that exact count showing on our website or not. Now here you can see I just come to my database. This is YouTube project MVC database, and now see how many freelancer we already have on our portal. So view all roles, and here you can see we have now 2 freelancers on our portal. So let's see our freelancer is showing here or not. So for that I am just refreshing this page from here, or okay, I am just refreshing my page, and here you can see now our freelancer is successfully showing here. That is the 2 number, because we only have the 2 freelancer, that's why it's showing the 2 number. Similar like of situation, I am just showing the total job listing. So for that you have to come to your controller, okay, and here similar like this process I have to declare one method, that is pd dot get count of jobs. Okay, so pd dot get count of jobs. Okay, now I just simply declare here one method. I just call this method in our project DAO. Okay, simply click on that. Here you can see method is created. Now I have to simply change the return type, that is int. Then I have to return that particular method from here. So I am just writing a return t1 dot query for object. Now I have to simply write that particular query here. So I am just writing a select count, then in that bracket I have to write star from post job. Okay, this is our table name. Now in similar like that I have to write it as a integer dot class. Okay, now put the semicolon here. Now see our controller, now we have to get this entire thing into one variable. So I'm just writing here count of jobs, okay, and is equal to this particular method. Now with the help of model map we can easily show that all kind of data. So I'm just writing a mm dot add attribute. In that we have to pass that value. So count job is our value, and we have to pass here one key, so comma, then key, that is the freelancer count, or jobs count. Okay, then put the semicolon. Now we have to simply copy this key from here, and we have to come to our home company.jsp. Similar like this kind of key we have to replace this key from that our original key, that is job count. Let's see it is showing or not. Before that I am just showing you how many jobs we already have on our particular portal. So we all roles, and we have 6 kind of jobs. Now see it is showing or not. I just refresh this page from here, and now see it is showing or not. Okay, now here you can see our job count is also successfully showing here, that is total job listing, that is 6, total worldwide freelancer, that is 2. Okay, so similar kind of things you can show in our freelancer model also. For that you have to do nothing, you just need to copy this kind of code from here. Okay, you just need to copy this code from here. Whenever you just click on a logout button, it will redirect us on our particular login page of company. I'm just opening the home page, and whenever you just log into your freelancer account, login as a freelancer, I'm just logging to my account. I just want to check my email address, that is the, here you can see I just log into my freelancer account, and whenever you just come below, there is nothing data is showing here, because we don't provided that mapping freelancer controller. So we have to come to our freelancer controller, and similar kind of code we have to paste our home freelancer mapping. Okay, so there you can see this is home freelancer mapping. We have to simply paste this code from here, and now we have to simply copy and paste our key from here. So we have to come to our home freelancer. Here you can see this one is a home freelancer. We have to come to the particular code that is showing that particular value. Okay, Here you can see this one, that particular code, that is the worldwide freelancer. Now we have to change this value with our original value. Okay, so this is a freelancer controller. Now we have to simply copy this value and paste on this kind of value here. Okay, similar like of value for jobs, I just copy job count and paste here job count. Now see it is showing or not. We just need to refresh this page from here and let's see it is showing or not. So here you can see 2 and 6. Now similar kind of things also working in our freelancer model also. Now hope you understand how you can show the count of our particular jobs, freelancer. Now you can easily show the projects count, you can easily show the company count from here also, similar like a freelancer. Now this is all about today's video. In this video we will discuss about how we can show the count of our freelancer, count of our job. Now you can easily show the project count, you can easily show the job count. Okay, so this is all about today's video. If you didn't subscribe my channel till now, I request you please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and next video will be our last video of this entire video series. Thank you so much for your support. We will see you soon. Thank you so much.